Hey, these are little video clips dealing with grammar uh, or something about the language, Navajo language. And so today, this is from lesson 4. Uh, we, I wanted to what I call conjugate a verb. So this one is called self-reliance, and we call it ego or aho ego. So these are ways to conjugate. And the way you look at this little chart is this first one is one person all the way down. So these are just one person. As you think about it, one could mean me over here. One person could be me, I, or I could say my something. Okay, so but right now it's just me, about me. And then one person, you, just you, not 100 of you, just you. And then one of he, she, or it. Okay. And then this is what we call the polite form. And the way it shows up is either ho, because the I would be she, and the you would be ne, and the he, she, or it would be be, abe, and aho is. Why is it the polite form? Is because it's a gentle way of talking. It's a way what you want this connection with somebody or this story to come out the way it should go, in a gentle way. And that's the reason why you use what I call the polite form. And for this ahojit ego, the polite form ahojit ego, if it applies to me, it would be ashe anst ego, when I'm self-reliant. And then anne and ego, when you're self-reliant, when you depend on yourself. And abe at ego could be he, she, or it. Be refers to he, she, or it. Okay. Now we go to the second column. This time we're just talking about two people, not one person, not 3, 4, 5, just two people. Okay. When we apply the two, we say us two. Okay. And that's what we mean by that. And let me just put that here in red. Us two. Okay, so we us two. Right here, it'll be in red here. Where is red? Okay, so it'll be right here, red. Okay, so this would be, this next one would be, copy that one. This next one would be you two, meaning, okay, it's you two. And then this would be you, they two. Let's put that there. They two. They means just two. They two. Okay. And we won't have one for polite. Okay, so we'll just go, let's see, how should we do this? Let's go down just a little bit on this right here. Okay, so that will help us out. Okay, so two people. Anihe, anit ego, anihe. When we're self-reliant, us two right here. And then if it's you two, if we're talking about you two, the two standing in front of me, anhe anot ego, anhe not ego. Maybe there's a counseling going on. If it's up to you, you can do this. Anhe not ego. And then they two will come out to be abe at ego, abe at ego. Those two right there. So as you're talking about the twins, abe at ego, the two overcame many difficulties. Abe at ego, Vicinahui nahagi, Vicinahui nanagi, Yilasili. Okay. Now we're taking that same ahojit ego, and now we apply it to three or more people. In the first one, we're talking about us three, we three that are standing right here. We can see each other, and we say "Anhi ego," and three or more means we could have 10 people right here referring to us. Anhi ego. I'm here to need ego nanahakai. We all came back. Okay. That might be going to Huerte or long walk. And then you three or more. Yeah, I'm talking about not us 10 over here, but you 10 over there. Anhieta no ego. Huerte de naisokai. It was up to you. You made it back. You were self-reliant when you made it back from Huerte, long walk. And then we can also refer it to the 3 or 4 or 5, 10 of you that's not here. It's our ancestors. I say our ancestors, they're not here, but we can talk about them. We can say, ego. So that we're talking about people we don't even, they're not even around here. We don't see them, but we can talk about them. Okay? So that's what this is. Ego explained in a what I call a verb conjugation. All right. We'll talk about this more. Thanks.